little joys, it's your girl Zoya Joy and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to do affirmations right and how to make them work for you. Number 1, avoid negative words. If you sit there and tell yourself, I am not broken, I am not fat, I am not stupid, all your brain is going to hear is broken, fat, and stupid. So what you want to do is you want to switch the words so that they are positive but present. My body is healthy. I am strong. I am learning and growing. Number 2, you want to repeat the crucial ones out loud. Be prepared for this to feel extremely awkward and extremely fake because it's supposed to. You're not used to it. You have to train your brain like a muscle until it loosens up and gets used to hearing it. So the more you do it, the easier it'll be to say, the easier it'll be to think, the easier it'll be to feel, and therefore the easier it'll be to believe. Number 3, do it right after waking up. This is the best time for you to do your affirmations because your subconscious mind is still sleepy. It's still trying to wake itself up from the night before. What we do with our time first thing in the morning usually will influence how we think and feel for the rest of the day. So start your day right and start your day with affirmations. Number 4, you have to give it time to work. Listen. It didn't take you a week to feel this way about yourself. It's not going to take you a week to see results. You have to give yourself time. You have to give your brain time to really absorb the affirmation and to make it a part of you. Heck, if you could do it in 1 week, everyone would have done it already and everyone would be their best versions of themselves, but they are not. So don't beat yourself up if you are not where you want to be within your affirmations. This is all part of the long game. The point of this exercise is to train how you treat your life for the rest of your life. So just give it time to work. Number 5, don't overdo it. Listen, too much of anything is never a good thing. So if you overdo your affirmations today, chances are you're not going to want to repeat that process again tomorrow. So the key is to have short but consistent time frames within your schedule so that it becomes a part of you every day, not a part of you once a week. And that's all I have for you guys. I know it's awkward and I know it's not something we're used to and it's uncomfortable. Trust me, I've been there. I am still there. There are a lot of things that have improved, but there are some things that I still need to work on. It is a journey for everybody. So everyone has their limits. Everyone has their own speed. So just take your time with it and just don't give up on yourself. You are going to see the results, but you're not going to get them all at once. But be patient and they will come to you right your way. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that this has helped you guys and I hope to see you again soon in the next video. Bye!